All right. So we are
Can you
just
see my camera
showing.
now?
Yeah, we can see you.
Okay.
Um, Basically, Rusty, we're gonna show how to lodge BAS
Yeah.
from XPM, the other green zero that you can see. This is like the blue zero, right? So we're gonna show how from the green zero you lodge BAS, but and before lodging you send out signature to the client because the client always needs to approve first before we lodge the BAS to the ATO. Okay,
Hmm.
so that's like the basic ground of it. So Charmin, just yeah, you can start.
Okay.
Thank you so much,
So
Vivian.
Yes, all right.
first thing after you finish like doing the bank reconciliation and it's all match and the bank um reconciliation match as well the bank balances. So that's the time you have to click the activity statement. Then, if like for example this one is for the February IAS, if this if the February is done, you have to publish it first. You can publish this one. By the way, this is an old um
Format.
Mhm.
template of activity statement, but there's an updated one. And
Yeah, so it
Hmm.
would look different, but the concept of it is pretty similar, Rusty. Like you click
yes,
Okay.
on publish, and then first draft, and then you publish it. But obviously, before publishing, you make sure that all the details are correct.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
For
Which
example,
do
this
you,
is like the
Hmm.
IAS statement, which means is like you're only lodging the PYG for the month of February.
Mm-hmm.
So
Hmm.
the PAYG amount, you can see it in payroll when you do it. So if you go to payroll reports, you can see if the total wage is here, then you see each line item W1, W2, W3, all of these things, and it
Yeah.
has names beside it. So you check if all these amounts matches to the payroll report that is in zero. You know, in
Okay.
report section, you can go and download like payroll reports, like superannuation
mm,
report, PAYG, and all of these things. So you just cross check if everything matches. And
is
then
there is
Mm,
there one particular report which you guys use which sort of covers it all?
it's called employee summary report you can use, or you
Is
can
there
use employee
well,
activity report.
which one do you find's the best?
Um. Well, in our end, we have like three reports that we match because sometimes there discrepancies. So you have to go to reports and account transactions for the wages payable first, and then as
So
well
go
with
to which of the reports?
She's going
account
there. If you can
transactions.
see it, can you see the
Okay.
screen, Harry?
So you use, yeah, account transactions, yeah.
Yep, and then go to the
Yeah.
wages payable. Search wages payable. And then you can also search this as AYG withholding. Then click update. So in the wages
Yeah.
payable, the closing balance should be zero. If there are any discrepancies, you have to check what is the discrepancy. It might be there's an overpayment or underpayment uh of a employee, or else
Okay.
it's like a delayed payment only and it will be paid on the next week. So you have to
So
check on that.
so
The wages
account
payable.
trans yeah.
It's
And so account transactions one of the reports. What's the other what are the other two you use?
You can see
um
here, like in the bold, in big letter, it's written two reports, PAYG withholding and wages payroll. So you'll just go to payroll reports and download like similar if you
Yeah,
want.
no, I see the account transactions, but do you go, what other reports do you find good? That's the accounts transaction reports.
yeah,
But what other ones do you use?
payroll activity summary and payroll employee summary.
Okay, just bear with us for tick payroll activity. What was the payroll activity summary? What was the other one?
Payroll employee summary.
The other one's payroll employee. Okay.
We just have to double check or cross check these three reports, and then cross checks as well in the activity statement, IAS activity statement. So if everything matches and there are no discrepancies, that's the time we have to publish it.
And then for a BAS, which reports which we find
Can
the
we
most
go
useful?
like one by one because she's doing IAS? So it's, if
Oh,
you
okay,
go
nice.
different in the middle, it's gonna hamper the flow of the explanation.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay. Yep.
yeah.
Okay.
So if everything match, we'll go to the uh, practice manager like that, and then you'll go to green zero and search for the company that you will have to file. So this one is for Adobe. Click the client name,
Yep.
then go to the tax returns. So you can see here all the filed transactions or filed IES or basis. If it's out for sign, draft, or already filed. So for the February, you have to click tax and then click AS since it's
AS
not
means
yet here.
activity statement.
Yeah.
Yes. After that, click this one IAS installment activity statement for uh
Oh, this looks
January.
like Jan, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, but there's no other.
The February
The
one.
February is not yet due, so it
Yeah.
will
Yeah.
not be here. So I'll just click the business activity statement.
But see, yeah, because it's already exists, it's not letting you
Yes,
publish. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, I think you can't, no, because you have already published.
No, I think it's in the draft.
Yeah, I think we have done IS for all of our clients, so I can't even
Yes,
show from the beginning something
yes.
completely.
So only what do you call this?
Yeah.
The December bus draft.
So like the basic concept is same that even if it's
Yes.
BAS or IS, you choose the period by going to that new that Charmaine showed,
Yeah.
and it comes as draft, and then you click on it and see this page will come up,
Yep.
which will match to what's in Xero.
Yeah. So I'll just show you the January IAS.
Yeah, since we're doing
Looks
IS,
like.
that's better. Yeah.
So in the in the draft, if it's IAS, you just have to click like this one, import from zero, and then
Mm.
since I haven't published the December batch, it will not be in here. But if like for example, I already published the December batch from Blue Zero, it will come up
I think the first, yeah, the second one. Yeah.
in here. So you just have to click that one and then click import. I will not do that. And then it will
This one is optional. This option.
yeah.
This. Can you go line by line, Charmaine? Like, see how you see first is cover and then GST. Like, go through one by one. Like,
Okay.
yeah,
So but in IAS there is no GST.
true.
It only has payroll and PayYG.
Yeah, maybe go to November IS to show them how an IS one looks like.
Mhm. Yep. So it looks like this. You have to fill up the total salary and then the total W1. So you will see that in here. So this amount should be populated in here.
So do you understand, Resty, like what she's saying? Like,
Yeah.
do you see on the right hand side there is like W1, W2, W3, 4 written? So those needs to match to what's in your blue zero, like W1, W2, all of these things. Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Sometimes there will be an automatic amount in here, just like this one. So you have to update as well the blue zero. So the blue zero will not pick that up. So you have to um delete the report again and then edit the report.
So you have to delete it before you can edit.
Yes, yes.
So this option, like Charmaine, go back to the green zero, the PYGI. What is it? Like go back to the green zero. I'll just show them why they need to edit it. This one, do you see like on the left hand side there is written PYGI. So this one is optional with clients, and usually this amount you will see sitting in the ATO portal.
Sorry,
Like
where's
the
the I? Sorry, where's the I? Where's
left
that?
hand side, do you see like something blue highlighted on the left hand
Oh,
side?
It's PGI.
Yeah,
Yeah,
PYGI. So this is called PYG installment, income tax installment.
yeah.
So this is usually calculated automatically in the ATO portal. So if you
Yes.
log into the ATO portal
Yeah.
and you click on that period that you are preparing the IAS or BAS for, you will see that the ATO has automatically given an amount that they
But
calculate
we
themselves.
have to manually put it in.
Yeah, so you manually put it in here in the green XPM or the blue XPM. I think blue XPM, and then it will flow through to the green XPM. That's the basic idea, that everything that's in the blue XPM after you click on the import on the top right corner will flow through to the green XPM.
Correct.
Cool. So PYG sorted, and then you just click next at like seen at the bottom right hand side, I think, or wherever you want.
Yeah, you have to double check the summary as well if everything matches
Are you
with.
back in the BAS one, Charmaine? This doesn't look like a IS. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is how it looks like. Yeah. Okay. And then so IS is simple. IS mostly is just you're reporting the payroll and PAYG to the government. So this is how the IS would look like. And then next, Charmaine, after checking this values, then what do? You send it to sign to the
After
employee.
that you have to save and then click complete. And then after that you'll have to print it out. So click print and then click cover letter as well. And then click download. So this one, the one that you downloaded, this one will be sent out to the client.
Yeah, I
Um
think you can send it directly from here.
yes,
Yeah,
yes. After you completed, there's another um drop down here. It says sign out for signature. So you have to click that and send it to the um
client. Yeah.
client, yes. But we also have the standard procedure that after we send a request for e-signature for the client, we will send this manually as well. If ever the client did not receive
Mm.
the e-signature request from the Zero, we'll have to email them directly.